Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Addis. Today I'm making roast beef, pot roast beef. It's my mom's recipe and she makes this every Christmas morning. So this is all the ingredients I'm gonna use. My seasoning, I have some oil, browning and soy sauce in this container right here. And I have scallion, thyme, pimento seed, onion, tomato, and garlic and pepper as usual. And I already season it and let it marinate for a couple of hours. And then I'm gonna start cooking it right now. Here it is. It's all marinated for like a couple of hours, whatever, overnight, anything you want to do. Okay? So right now I have my pot, it's hot, and I'm gonna add the oil. A little bit, not too much oil, just a little. And I'm gonna add a little bit of the pimento seed, and I already crushed garlic to let it burn in the oil until when that start burning, then I'll add my beef. Normally I put a piece of pepper, but my pepper is so big today I don't want to use all of it in there, so I'll just let this burn. Once the garlic start burning, I'm gonna add the beef. I'm not gonna add all the seasoning, all that seasoning. I'm gonna take it off and then just add the beef by itself. Okay, so my garlic is burning, and I'm ready to go. So I'm gonna add my beef. I'm gonna take all of this off of it. Take up all the seasoning that you marinated in, and if a little is left on it, that's fine. I purposely leave a little on it as a matter of fact, so I can get it done with some flavor. Seasoning, and I'm gonna put it in my pot. There we go. So now it's in there. I'm gonna leave it like that. I'm not gonna do anything else. See, all the seasoning is left behind. I'm gonna add that soon. So right now I'm gonna cover it and let it simmer for a little, and then I'll check on it again later. Okay. So I'm back, and I'm gonna turn it. See how it's frying and burning? See that beautiful color that it got? And I'm gonna cover it again and let the other side do the same thing, and then I'm gonna add the seasoning inside. Okay. So there you go. So see you soon. So right now I'm gonna check the other side. Yeah, coming on real good. Coming on real good. Keep poking it with the fork to get that juice out of the beef. Each time you turn it, just poke it with the fork until the end. And then eventually, I am gonna shift a little bit of the water in it, just to give it a little. Sometimes I'm gonna put everything in right now and leave it to simmer. So right now I'm gonna add all the seasoning. I'm not gonna let it fry anymore. It'll be fine. So this is how I do my pot roast. So now it's inside of the seasoning, and I'm not gonna add any water or anything else, and I'm gonna just leave it to simmer, and each time I'm gonna come and check on it. So see, leave it to simmer. That's it. beautiful. Smell delicious. Okay. I'm gonna leave it there and turn on the stove a little so it can simmer. Okay. Great. Right now I'm gonna make a little salad to go with the beef. Yeah, I'm old-fashioned. I'm cutting up my own lettuce. I like to do it. Cut it up real fine. This is some iceberg lettuce, and I have some sweet pepper and cucumber. I'm gonna make a little salad, and I'm gonna have white rice with the roast beef. Yeah. I love cutting up stuff. It's relaxing. Yeah. Okay. Love cutting stuff. So relaxing to cut up stuff. Just gonna add some jalapeno because I love jalapeno so much. These are the red jalapeno, I love them. They'll be fine. Nobody's gonna get hurt from jalapeno. Okay. So right now I'm gonna be checking on my beef. Ooh, it's coming on very good. It's looking delicious. So this is what you want. You see how I didn't add any water. It's making its own water, and the seasoning is burning. So I'm having some white rice with the salad and the roast beef. Yeah, that's what's going on in Addie's kitchen today. On the beef. Wow, the sauce sauce to make sure it come out. Looking beautiful. I'm gonna pour it over. It's coming out. It's shrinking. You keep that consistency of the gravy, not too much. Always leave it like that. Not too much water or anything, but continue to let it simmer. I'm going to add a little water to it and then leave it to simmer. Beef shrinking and look like right in the middle of the pot there. You see how it's getting smaller? Once you see it shrink like that, you know it's cooked. And then when you push your fork through it, you won't get any like that bloody thing that comes out when each time when you used to poke it with the fork, you know it's ready. So what I did was I add some more seasoning. So, because I'm gonna add some water while I take out the beef to have some gravy for the rice. Yeah. Cook the added season for the next 10 minutes or so, and then it's good to go. I'm going to take it out and slice it up and do the ultimate test. So now we're going to do the ultimate test. Okay, it's done. Okay, so let's slice this and see the ultimate test. There you go. Yes, it looks delicious. So I'm gonna make a couple slices and then I'm gonna add them to the thin slices. Yeah, and I'm gonna put them over here. And sure, I'm gonna add some gravy to that. Okay, so add some gravy to the rice and we're good to go. There you go, beautiful. So that's my roast beef and salad with rice dinner. It's beautiful, right? It is delicious too. So thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and share. Thank you. If there's anybody out there that didn't understand how to make this beef, please leave a comment below and I'll reply to it. Thank you. Bye.